friends, welcome to my channel Lizzie Teaches Cooking World. Today I have come with the recipe of methi leaves and fried potatoes. It's a very tasty dish. It's not a dish of Kerala, it's a North Indian dish. One of my friend long years before, she's from Kashmir, she had shared this and we call this bhaji Kashmiri methi bhaji. Because my children like it, and I have shared this recipe with many, and those who don't like methi leaves because of the slight bitter taste, they also liked this dish. So you also try this methi and potatoes. And now I'll tell you all the ingredients I have used. I have taken 2 bunch of fenugreek leaves, that is methi leaves, and then I have taken half kg potatoes, 1 onion, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, 3 tomatoes, little coriander leaves, 2 spoons of chili powder and 1 spoon of turmeric powder. Oil, you can use whichever cooking oil you are using. Now first I'll have to remove take the leaves. I will be only taking the leaves of the methi. That is, I will not be taking the stalk. And I'll have to cut the onions, cut the potatoes, and cut the coriander leaves. And I'll be adding a pinch of fenugreek asafoetida into this dish, which gives a very good aroma to the dish. Now I will show you all after I clean and cut the vegetables. Now I have cleaned the leaves, washed the leaves nicely. I have cut the potatoes. I put it in water. I will have to fry the potatoes. I have cut the tomatoes. I have slit the cloves of garlic, and I have taken 6 whole red chilies which I have cut into pieces. Now we will go to the kitchen. Now I have kept a pan on the gas. I'll add little oil, cooking oil into it. And I will fry the potatoes first. I'll make the potatoes into golden brown in color. So it will be half cooked also. And I will saute it till it becomes golden brown in color. By the time I will keep a vessel on another gas. Little oil I'll add, and then I will put the cloves of garlic. And I will be putting even the cut whole red chilies. I'll saute it for some time, and I will put the onions which I have cut. I'll saute this for some time. By the time my potatoes are becoming cooked and little golden brown in color. I'll wait till this gets cooked. By the time, what I will do is, I will put the fenugreek leaves. You have to just wash the fenugreek just before cooking. You must not keep it for long because it may turn little bitter. Now I will put the red chili powder. That is 2 small spoons of, this is 2 small spoons which I have kept in this. I will saute it. I will put 1 spoon of turmeric powder. This is 1 spoon of turmeric powder. I'll put little salt into this. Salt according to taste. And even I will put little asafoetida. A pinch of asafoetida. This asafoetida gives a very good aroma to the dish. And this methi what I prepare, it will not be bitter at all. It will be tasty. It will cook in the juicy tomatoes and the water will evaporate. I'll put it in sim flame so it will take a long time, and this I will be sauteing it till this becomes cooked, and this potatoes I'll be adding into this. I will not add the oil, only the potatoes I'll be adding, and the dish will become very, very tasty. Last I will be putting little coriander leaves, and then our methi in potato fry will be ready. The potatoes have got cooked, so I will transfer this into the methi so that this will cook with the methi, the garlic cloves, and little water is there, tomato juice, and I'll add little more salt because the potatoes I have not added salt. I'll put salt so that the potatoes also will absorb the salt and the juice of the tomatoes, the fenugreek leaves, and it will be very, very tasty. And saute it for some time and then off the gas. See, our dish is ready. Now I will off the gas and I will take it in a plate. Now see, I have taken it in a plate. It looks awesome and it also tastes very tasty. Now you all saw how to make methi and potatoes, that is fenugreek leaves and potatoes, that is fried potatoes with tomatoes and onions. The bitterness will not be there when you cook it like this. You have to cook in open flame, and remember that when you wash the methi, just wash the methi just before you cook. Don't wash and keep it for a long time, and I am sure that this dish will come out very well. Now do try it at home. Don't forget to write your comments in the comment box, and if you are watching my video for the first time, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Now I will come with some new exciting recipe. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.